Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a lovely chicken cacciatore dish. This is not the classic traditional recipe, this is my version. Let's get started. Now I've selected my pressure cooker to the high saute setting. I'm adding some olive oil, about a couple of tablespoons. And of course, if you don't have a pressure cooker, you can do this in a normal standard frying pan or saucepan. I'm using 4 chicken thighs, which I've dusted with 1 tablespoon of plain flour. I've also seasoned the flour with salt and pepper. And once it's golden brown on one side, you need to turn it over and repeat the process. Well, it's had about 2 minutes either side, so it's nice and golden brown. I'm now going to remove the chicken from the pan and we're going to start frying off our other ingredients. So here I have 1 cup of red onions, just finely diced, and I've got 1 red bell pepper, which I'm going to add now, and I've just left them in nice long strips. And you just want to fry these off now for about a minute or 2 until they're nice and soft. Now is a good time to add your garlic. I've got 3 cloves here, just finely chopped. Followed by 400 grams of crushed tomato, 1/4 cup of chicken stock. I'm adding 6 green and 6 black olives, followed by a tablespoon of capers. It's time to add the fresh herbs. I'm using mint, thyme, basil, and fresh parsley. About a tablespoon of each. Okay, let's add the chicken back to the sauce. I'm going to add a splash of white wine to finish everything off. We're going to place the lid on and cook it for 15 minutes. Now if you're going to do this on the stovetop, you want to put a lid on and gently simmer it for about 35 to 40 minutes. Today I'm serving mine with some beautiful velvety mashed potato. Polenta is an excellent choice also. But whatever your preference, this recipe is absolutely delicious. The chicken just falls apart, it's buttery soft, the flavors are intense, it's got this fantastic Mediterranean feel about it. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.